There's a very specific kind of person who's making serious money from AI in 2026, and they are not the ones who you think. They're not startup founders, they are not ML engineers from Google, or they are not the ones who are running ads and dropping courses. They are students, salaried professionals, freelancers, and people in the tier 2, tier 3 cities, making over rupees 40,000, rupees 80,000, or sometimes even a lakh in a month, quietly without making any noise on the social media. And the reason why most people do not know about this is because the loudest voices on the social media are either selling you a course of rupees 5,000 to generate income from AI, or they're simply fear mongering you and telling you that AI is going to take over your job. Nobody's talking about people in the middle who figured something out. Today that changes. This video is about what those people are doing, the specific methods, the exact tools, and the realistic numbers. And I'll show you how exactly to start. About myself, my name is Shivangi Tiwari. I started my career as a software engineer, transitioned into product manager, and moved to Dubai. Parallelly, I was doing freelancing and I started my own agency. Its name is Brandinia. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Before we get into understanding the methods, let's first know one thing that contextualizes everything. AI-related freelance demand on Upwork grew 109% in 2025. Gartner projects worldwide AI spending will increase $2.5 trillion in 2026. And here's the number that matters most for you. Freelancers using AI tools earn 44% more on average than those who do not. And the gap is not closing, it's widening day by day. Because people who figured out AI earlier are not just moving faster, they're delivering more output, taking more clients, and charging more money, working for the same or fewer hours. But here's an important thing most make money from AI videos miss completely. The people quietly earning are not using AI as a product, they are using AI as a multiplier. Your skill is the product. AI makes the skill faster, better, and more scalable. That distinction is what separates real earners from people who just start and give up after a week or two. So keep that in mind for everything I'm about to show you. So the first method is content repurposing as a service. This is one of the simplest AI income models in 2026, and almost nobody's offering it as a dedicated service in India yet. Now here is a problem it solves. Let's say there's a founder or a coach or a doctor. They are spending time and recording one long form video, or let's say a podcast, and that full long form content is not utilized anywhere else. It's just sitting on one particular platform. So the content is simply sitting there, no LinkedIn post, no Instagram reels or shorts or carousels or newsletters or blogs, just one place where that one particular content is sitting. And it's not like that its content cannot be repurposed, but because repurposing a content takes 6 to 8 hours manually per piece of content. But you know what? You can do it under 45 minutes with the help of AI. So what you can deliver for a client, one long form video or podcast becomes 10 LinkedIn posts, 5 Instagram captions, 1 newsletter, 3 YouTube short scripts, and 1 blog post. All from the same source of content, all in their own voice. The tools that you need for this is Opus Clip, automatically cuts long videos into short clips. Free tier is available. Then you need Cast Magic, transcribes audio and generates social posts, newsletters, and show notes automatically. Then you need Claude or ChatGPT for rewriting and refining it into the client's voice. What this pays you, rupees 8,000 to 20,000 per client on retainer basis. For 3 clients, you can roughly make 25,000 to 60,000 rupees per month for roughly 15 hours of work total per month. Now how you can start is find out 5 creators or coaches or founders on LinkedIn who are posting long form content but they have zero social media presence beyond their main platform. Repurpose one piece of content for free without asking them and send it to them for free. You can write this message. If you try to reach out 5 to 6 such people every single day, you will definitely be able to close good number of clients by the end of the month. Next method is faceless AI YouTube channels. I know for a lot of you this sounds too good to be true, but you know what? Faceless YouTube channels now represent 38% of all new creator monetization ventures in 2026, up from 12% in 2022. You never appear on the camera or you never record your voice. AI writes the script, generates the voice, and assembles the video. But here's what nobody tells you. YouTube's 2026 AI detection system actively targets mass-produced, low-effort AI channels. Thousands of channels were demonetized in early 2026 for publishing AI content with no original thought or research. So the channels that are surviving and thriving are the ones who are using AI as a production tool and not as a replacement to human thinking. So if you do real research, original angles, and that human editorial direction, and of course you can use AI for voice, visuals, editing. Talking about the niches that pay well in India, you can check on your screen. Now for creating an AI faceless YouTube video, what are the tools that you need? So first one is 11 Labs for generating voice. Then you have Hagen or Synthesia. It is an AI avatar presenter if you want a face without showing yours. Then you have Opus Clips. It auto-generates shorts from a long-form content. Now, if I have to give you a realistic timeline, so you will take at least 3 to 6 months to getting your channel monetized, and to actually see some income, you'll need 6 to 12 months. A 100,000 subscriber channel in finance or business can generate 40,000 rupees to 1,60,000 per month from AdSense before any brand deals come. But you have to deeply think about it. It is not a 1 week or 1 month plan. It is a 12-month plan that you have to create. Next method is AI automation for local businesses. This is one of the most underrated methods in the whole list. A Medium article from June 2026 described this perfectly. Just go, have 5 conversations with small business owners you already have access to. Ask them one question: what is the most repetitive thing your team does that does not actually need a human to think about? And the answer is almost always the same. A salon sending appointment reminders manually on WhatsApp, a coaching institute following up with the leads from a notebook, a logistics company copy-pasting WhatsApp orders into a spreadsheet. So if you see, they are not tech companies and they don't have an IT team. And for them, they are never going to figure this out themselves. But you can do it for them just by spending one weekend using Make.com or Zapier. If I tell you what a basic automation project looks like, a WhatsApp to Google Sheets lead capture system built in Make.com takes 4 hours to set up. You can charge 15,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees per setup. And then you can charge rupees 2,000 to 5,000 per month for maintenance. And now let me tell you what the market pays you for this. So simple single workflow projects pays $500 to $1,000 per setup internationally, and Indian SMBs projects rupees 15,000 to rupees 1 lakh depending on the complexity. Now talking about the tools that you need, and yes, there is no coding required. So Make.com, it has free tier available, visual drag and drop automation builder. Then you have Zapier, it is slightly simpler to start and this has also free tier available. Now how you can start, you can check it on your screen. Now I know since you are already on this video, that means you were definitely looking forward to making money using AI in 2026. Now tell me which of the methods which I've told you earlier you were knowing but you have not applied until now. Okay, so now we have 3 more methods left, so keep watching until the end. Next method is building your own AI freelancing brand. Now one thing I've been noticing about people who are making good money in the era of AI in the last 2 to 3 years is this: all of them, they have a good professional online presence. Not just a LinkedIn profile, but a good website or a portfolio. That's a place where your potential client lands and immediately understand that the person is serious. The person knows what they are doing and I can trust them with my projects. And here's the honest truth. The difference between a freelancer making rupees 15,000 a month and the one making rupees 80,000 per month is rarely the skill. It's mostly the credibility. So clients cannot see your skill before they hire you, but they can definitely see your website. A polished professional portfolio website signals before a single conversation happens that you are worth the rate you are charging. And I know earlier it was complicated and it used to take weeks to create a website, but not anymore in 2026. I've been using Hostinger Horizons for this, and I want to show you exactly what I would build for an AI freelancer starting today. Because your portfolio website is not a vanity project, it's your silent salesperson. It's working for you 24/7. Even when you are not sending any proposals or talking to the clients and you're just sleeping. So once you go on Chrome or Safari, this is how the Hostinger Horizon dashboard looks like. You can see 4 plans: Explorer, Starter, Hobbies and Hustler. For a freelance portfolio site, Explorer or Starter is more than enough. Let's go ahead with the most popular plan. I'm going to build exactly the kind of portfolio website an AI content freelancer targeting Indian founders and startup would need. Here's the exact prompt that I'm going to type. Create a professional portfolio website for an AI-powered freelance content strategist called Priya Sharma, who helps Indian startups and D2C brands with LinkedIn ghostwriting, email marketing and content repurposing using AI tools. Include a homepage with a strong headline, an about section explaining her background and approach, a service section listing 3 offerings: LinkedIn ghostwriting at rupees 25,000 per month, email marketing sequences at rupees 12,000 per campaign, and content repurposing retainer at rupees 15,000 per month, a results section showing 3 client wins with before and after metrics, a testimonial section with 3 client codes, and a contact section with a booking form. Design should be clean, minimal and credible. Color scheme should be white, charcoal and electric blue. Hit the enter button and watch. So you don't have to write any code or do any WordPress plugins, and no template configurations. Now AI is building the entire portfolio: homepage, services with INR pricing, client results, testimonials, contact form, all of it automatically. Here it is. Now let me refine it a little bit because this is going to make it more real and not templated. So change the hero headline to your ideas deserve to be heard. I help founders and brands say the right thing to the right people using AI powered content that actually converts. Add a book a free call button that links into the contact form. For the next prompt, let's enter. In the results section, add 3 specific wins. First, helped a SaaS founder grow LinkedIn profile from 200 to 11,000 followers in 4 months. Second, wrote an email sequence that generated rupees 8.4 lakhs in a course sales in 30 days. Third, repurposed 12 podcast episodes into 3 months of social content for a D2C brand. Next prompt, let's enter. Add a floating WhatsApp button on the bottom right corner so potential clients can message immediately. Also, add a simple banner below the hero saying, currently accepting 2 new clients for August 2026. Now look at this. This is a real professional AI freelancer portfolio. This has specific services, specific pricing, specific results, and specific availability. When you hit the publish button, your portfolio website is live instantly. SSL is included, hosting is included, custom domain directly connected to Hostinger. Everything is at one place. Now this portfolio website is going to help you a lot. Whenever you are going to reach out to a potential client, you have to send your link to them. Or when someone finds you on LinkedIn, they can click on the link and see all the services and work. And also whenever any client says, do you have a portfolio, you can directly send them your link. So every single touch point leads over here. And when they find a specific, credible and well-designed website with real results and clear pricing, it tells them that you're the right person without even saying a word. If you also want to try Hostinger Horizon, link is there in my description. Do not forget to use my coupon code to get additional discount. Next method is building AI micro products. So every other method in this list trades time for money, even if AI compresses that time significantly. But this one does not. You build something once and sell it hundreds of times. And yes, AI has made building these products faster than ever. So let me tell you what is working right now. AI prompt packs, curated, tested, niche specific prompts that have people hours of experimentation. For example, a 100 prompt of Indian D2C brand Instagram managers pack. You can sell it for rupees 499. If you sell 300 copies, that means 1.5 lakh per month is sorted. And this is just literally one weekend of work. Or you can sell Notion templates built with AI productivity system, client trackers, content calendars for rupees 299 to rupees 999 each. Then you can also sell niche micro guides like how to use AI for HR job, ChatGPT for chartered accountants, 15 to 20 pages for rupees 499 to 1499. This is deeply specific and genuinely useful. The micro SaaS market is at $15.7 billion in 2026, projected to hit $59.6 billion by 2030 at a 30% annual growth. That growth is driven by people paying for tools that solves their specific problem. Now your micro product does not need to be a software. It just needs to solve one real pain point for any specific person. Now where you can sell in India, so InstaMojo built for Indian creators with UPI payment, zero setup cost. Then you have Gumroad, global reach, 10% transaction fees, but has a very simple setup. Now how you can start, you can check it on your screen. Now before I end the video, as always, I want to talk honestly to you that people who are making money using AI in 2026 are not getting overnight success. The Mayank Digital Labs guide, one of the most honest AI income resources I read while researching the video, put it perfectly. The actual paths are slower, more boring and sustainably more durable than the dropshipping style schemes that flooded the space 2 years ago. Beginners focusing on one AI service realistically earn rupees 10,000 to 30,000 in 60 to 90 days of consistent effort. That means 6 to 12 months of focus can help you achieve 1 to 1.5 lakhs per month consistently. But it has one condition, that you have to pick up one method and be consistent on it. So you go deep into it, get your first client, deliver exceptional work and get the testimonials. Then and only then you layer the next thing on top of it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Recently I've also created a video on blogging. So if you're someone who's interested in blogging, I'm sure that video is going to definitely help you out. You can check over here that how you can start blogging, how you can make money from it. You can check it out over here. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post my new video. Thank you so much.